Our air quality was reduced all weekend because of all the smoke that has been coming out of the bootleg fire and from the Jack fire. You can see right now the air quality is still reduced. It's not as bad as it has been, but it's still moderate in parts of Siskiyou County, in the Klamath Basin as well. We can expect the air quality to be reduced additionally today as the bootleg fire and the Jack fires both continue to flare up. The other big story today is the heat. And it is already at 82 degrees in Eagle Point, 80 degrees in Medford, 82 in Cave Junction, sitting in the mid-50s along the coast in Curry County, already up to 95 degrees in Dunsmuir, 87 degrees up in Montague, and also very hot in the basin as well. We're already up to 81 in Paisley, 78 in Beatty, and 83 degrees in Blythe. So today, when everything's said and done, we do have one triple-digit temperature up here on the board, 101 degrees in Wairika, but still not too shabby in Medford, 97 degrees. Much more comfortable along the coast, 68 degrees there in Brookings, and we're also going to be pretty close to the 100s in the Klamath Basin as well, 96 degrees in Klamath Falls, and just a few degrees cooler there in Lakeview at 94 degrees. So if you want to chill poolside today, it'd be a great day to do so. And our temperatures by noon, they're going to warm up into the mid-80s. By 3 p.m. and by 6 p.m., the temperatures are going to be in the mid-90s. Very hazy skies today. Also, very high UV index, so be sure you are putting on sunscreen. Another fun summer activity to do today would be to eat an ice cream cone. And here's that ice cream forecast. And since we're going to warm up to 99 degrees today in Medford, you better eat that ice cream cone pretty fast because the ice cream is going to be a puddle within seconds. Now, speaking of all the heat, we do have several heat alerts in our area, one of them being this excessive heat warning for west central Siskiyou County, where highs could get up to 112 degrees in some of the valleys. We also have this heat advisory. It goes for eastern Curry County, Josephine County, Jackson County. It includes the Klamath Basin and down into eastern Siskiyou County as well. This runs until 8 p.m. on Tuesday, and temperatures in some of the valleys there could get up to 102 degrees. Tonight, our temperatures will cool back down into the lower 60s in our west side valleys, 61 degrees in Wairika, 62 degrees in Medford. Most of the smoke should clear out by the evening, but it will return in the overnight hours. It's going to stay smoky in the basin, 52 degrees in Klamath Falls, 57 up in Crater Lake, and 49 degrees in Lakeview. Very breezy conditions tonight as well. So, over the week to come, the fair is returning, the Jackson County Fair. And look at this, by the time we get to Friday, here's that cool down I was talking about. Temperatures are going to be back in the upper 80s, and that is definitely a sight for sore eyes. So this is still about average for what we could expect around this time of the year, but a cool down is very welcome at this point in time. For the next 7 days along the coast, very comfortable temperatures. They're going to be ranging from the mid-60s to the upper 60s, same pattern. Clouds in the morning, sun in the afternoon. In Northern California, a couple more days of triple-digit temperatures, but thankfully by the end of the week, we cool down into the lower 90s in the Klamath Basin. Reduced air quality from all the smoke that is spewing out of the rapidly intensifying bootleg fire. But a little bit of good news is that temperatures will cool off into the upper 80s by the time we get to Friday and into Saturday. Up in the mountains, temperatures will cool off into the upper 70s. That is certainly welcome for Thursday and Friday, but again, continued reduced air quality because of all the smoke, specifically from the Jack fire. And then in the Rogue Valley, hazy and smoky skies for the next 3 days, but thankfully temperatures are going to cool off into the upper 80s by the time we get to Friday.
And this is just a random question I just had. When we're looking at that graphic, in front of the sun on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, is that a cloud or is that haze?
That's haze. That's what we have to represent haze. No clouds, just smoke.
Hazy. I couldn't tell the difference, but I figured it was haze. Good to know. Not going to lay out at the pool until Thursday.
No. Good plan.
Perfect. Thank you.